Solid mind here, and today we are looking for a lavalier mic for my DSLR. So today we are first of all just searching for a lav mic here on eBay because I use Amazon a lot, but I thought why not? So I use a DSLR. So oh, here's some nice Sennheiser lav mics. Let me go full picture. Okay, these are the more old school lav mics. My only worry with these is because of the way they look, how would they stand up long term wise? Oh, it's 250. Hold on. Oh, I thought it was £25. Jeez, okay. So Sennheiser are a good brand. Let me see. I already have a lav mic like this. Where is it? Like this type. Where you get a 3.5 millimeter jack or 2.5. It's only got two lines, so that's 2.5 millimeters, which connects into my DSLR and I can use it. I have a 3 meter cable, so it's compatible with the Rode Wireless Pro Go 2, Go, and Me, and all these other ones. Basically, pretty compatible with most things. I don't know if I really want that because I already have one of those. What else can I get? Oh, this one's not too bad. So, 12 quid plus £4 shipping. Okay, it's not bad, £16. But again, it's a lav mic. One thing that I've been craving to get has been a wireless lav. Um, Now let me search again and look for a wireless lav. So in today's video, I am going to buy a lav mic and wireless lav. There we go. So let's see what's available on the wireless side. So I have seen these everywhere. These like tiny little USB-C or internet, well, what do you call it, lightning port ones. I don't like them too much because I use a DSLR camera. I know that most people use a phone camera, but I like to use a proper camera. And 10 quid, I don't know. So I'm recording this on December 22nd. No, December 27th, 2025. So this has 3 days of shipping. That's not bad. Let me go back a little bit. Wireless lav again. Oh, that's not bad. Um, Another. I don't really like these types, but I don't mind this. This DG, is this DGI? DGI. It's not bad. I like the fact that there's two, although I never recorded other people. USB-C again, which is great. Um, ooh, picked for me. Okay, this is £18. What is this? This looks like my type of mic. Okay, so this is. Let me go full screen. Okay, so this includes the two connectors. Well, one is a receiver, one is a transmitter. It includes the reset. So in these, I think there's a reset button. That's what that's for. This little SIM ejector tool. Then we got like a wind filter, a clip. On here we have two USB-C connectors. And an earphone jack. And oh, what else did I miss? Two earphone jacks and a little lav. Okay, it's not bad. It's only one of them. 2.4 gigahertz. That's fine. It auto syncs. 70. Okay. Low cut filter. And what's low cut? Okay. Don't know what that is. Okay, so you can adjust the gain. Gain is how loud you want it to be. So That's not bad. I prefer ones with a like a display on top, but it's not bad. So this was okay. Okay, 3.5. So DSLR camcorders, PCs and phones. Most phones don't have it. Okay, there's a video here. Should I watch it? Nah, I won't. So, what is this? This is certified refurbished. What does that mean? Sorry. This item has been professionally inspected, tested, cleaned by the manufacturer or manufacturer approved vendor. So it's pristine, like new, fully functional, and it meets the manufacturer's specification, the original ones. I get a 1 year guarantee by the seller. Okay, so this is like it's like new, so it's not new. So probably this is dead stock or stock that you know they had and they basically haven't been able to sell. But when I hear like new and refurbished, hmm, okay, so 33 already, 31 already sold, 42 people watching this. Certified free UK mainland, eco-friendly. That's nice. Um, oh, there's other ones here. There is a G2A1. The only difference is these have two. Oh, this is 56. Okay, so these are the exact same ones, but they cost £35. These are the same ones again. These are used. They cost 29. I don't understand why they're so cheap. 55 again. Oh, okay. Oh, this is interesting. These are private and they're being sold. Hmm. Ah, for parts not working. Okay, I see, I see. So if I want the ones that are working, I gotta spend basically 50 quid for those. You know what? These look good. Alrighty, so let's go buy these. And if this video gets, I'll be nice, 5 likes, I'm gonna make a video of me receiving them, unboxing them. So let me go. Where is this? So this will come when? Jan 2nd to Jan 8th. So if this gets, let's say, yeah, 5 likes by January 10th, 2025, I will make a video of me unboxing it and then me testing it. So if you don't want to see that, don't like the video. If you do want to see it, like it, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let me just go buy it now and then we'll go from there.